Welcome to our Soul Makers. Now we are going to learn coronavirus vocabulary. Quarantine, a general period of time in which people are not allowed to leave their homes or travel freely so that they don't catch or spread a disease. Isolation, the condition of being alone, the condition of being separated from other people, towns, countries, etc. Epidemic. An epidemic is a disease that affects a large number of people within a community, population, or region. A particular problem that seriously affects many people at the same time. Pandemic. A pandemic is an epidemic that spread over multiple countries or continents. It affects more people and takes more lives than an epidemic. Outbreak, a time when something suddenly begins, especially a disease or something else dangerous or unpleasant. Self quarantine. Self quarantine means that the family must stay isolated in their home with no or little contact with anybody outside. They should wash their hands repeatedly and avoid touching any part of their face. Social distance. The practice of keeping away from other people as much as possible or of keeping a certain distance from other people in order to stop a disease from spreading to a lot of people. Face mask. A face mask is a covering that you wear over your face, for example, to prevent yourself from breathing bad air or from spreading germs or to protect your face when you are in a dangerous situation. Contagious. Spread from one person or organism to another, typically by direct contact. A contagious disease can be caught by touching someone who has the disease or a piece of infected clothing. Coronavirus. Coronavirus is a larger family of viruses that cause illness such as the common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome, and the Middle East respiratory syndrome. COVID 19. This strain of coronavirus was named COVID 19 on the 11th of February by the World Health Organization. Coronavirus disease 2019, COVID 19. Variant. Something that is slightly different from other similar things. In the last 2 years, we have seen five variants of concerns: Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta, and Omicron. PPE Kit. Personal protective equipment, also commonly known as PPE, is a set of safety gear worn by a person to shield and protect themselves against various harmful viruses, bacteria, and infections that may spread through bodily contact. Vaccine, a substance that is put into the body of a person or animal to protect them from a disease by causing them to produce antibodies, proteins that fight diseases. Self test kit. This antigen self test kit is a single use kit that uses a human nasal swab specimen for the detection of COVID. It determines whether you have an active COVID 19 infection and gives test results in 15 minutes. This kit is safe for use by pregnant women too. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and to get more video updates, please press the bell icon.